Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Kids, are you all reading the lessons at home? Yes, very good. Kids, keep practicing grammar topics which we have done. Okay? Very nice. Now let's start with today's session. In today's session, we will be doing revision of chapter 5, The Park. So, let's start. Chapter 5, The Park. The story is about a little girl Alia who goes to the park every day to play with her friends. Zara is her best friend. One day, when Alia came back from the park, she was sad. Her mother asked her that why she is sad. Then she tells her mother that her friend Zara is ill. Means her friend is not well. And Zara's mother says that they should not play in the park because the park is dirty. Alia's mother tells her not to worry. Her friend Zara will be fine soon. The next day, Alia's mother goes to the park with Alia and she sees lot of rubbish in the park. Then Alia's mother tells Alia that they should clean the park. So that day Alia painted a poster which said, "Please keep the park clean." Means पोस्टर में लिखा था कि प्लीज पार्क को क्लीन रखें. Then with the help of her mother, she put the poster on the park gate to make people aware of their responsibility of keeping the park clean. After that, Alia and her mother picked up the rubbish and began to put them in the bags they were carrying. Means उन्होंने क्या किया? उन्होंने जो रबिश था ना पार्क में वो उठाया और उनके पास जो बैग्स थी ना उसमें डालते गए. The other children at the park also helped Alia and her mother to clean the park. The children talked and laughed as they walked. They were happy to clean the park. The children thanked Alia's mother for making them aware of their responsibility of keeping the park clean. So kids, now tell me, what is the moral of this story? आपने ये लेसन में से क्या सीखा? Yes, we should keep our surroundings clean. हमें अपने आसपास की जगह क्लीन रखनी चाहिए जिससे कोई बीमार ना हो. Now let's revise grammar topic 1 and more than 1. Kids, now you all know what are naming words, right? Naming words are names of people, places, animals and things. Kids, naming words can be one or more than one in number. Means naming words one भी हो सकते हैं या 1 से ज़्यादा भी हो सकते हैं। To show more than one, we add s to a naming word. Means अगर एक से ज़्यादा हो तो हम s ऐड करते हैं। For example, one fan. And on the right side, how many? Yes, 3. Means it's more than one, right? So we add s to fan and we say fans. One fan, 3 fans. Now let's see some more examples. One pen, 2 pens. One hut, 2 huts. One ball, 5 balls. One egg, 3 eggs. Now kids, look at the picture and circle the correct word. Kids, look carefully at the picture and tell me it's 1 cup or more than 1. Come on. Yes, it's 1. So we will circle cup or cups. Yes, cup, because it's 1. So we say 1 cup. Now let's see one more picture. Kids, tell me it's 1 ball or more than 1. Come on. Yes, there are 4, right? Means more than 1. So we will circle ball or balls. Very good, balls, because it's more than 1. Right? So we say 4 balls. Now kids, let's move to the next topic, A and N. Kids, we use A and N when we talk about one person, one place, one animal and one thing. Kids, do you remember when we use N? Come on, think. Yes, we use N before a word that starts with a vowel. A, E, I, O, U. जब कोई भी वर्ड A, E, I, O, U से स्टार्ट होता है तो हम उसके आगे N यूज़ करते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, an apple, an egg, an insect. Kids, here these words start with vowels A, E, I. So we use N before these words. Now tell me when we use A. Come on. Yes, we use A before a word that starts with a consonant. B, C, D, F, G, and the other letters in the bracket are consonants. Kids, the letters other than the vowels are consonants. जब भी कोई वर्ड कॉन्सोनेंट से स्टार्ट होता है तो हम उसके आगे ए यूज करते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, अ बुक, अ जग, अ हैट. किड्स, हियर these words start with consonants. B, J, H are consonants, right? So we use A before these words. Use A or N. Number 1, dash umbrella. Kids, now tell me, we will use A or N Come on, think. Yes, N. Because the word umbrella starts with U, which is a vowel. So, an umbrella. Now, number 2. Dash clock. Kids, your clock starts with C, which is a consonant. So, we use A or N before consonant? Yes, A. So, a clock. Now, let's move to the next topic. Kids, some letters make more than one sound. Now, let's see the sound that letter C makes. In some words, C makes the sound of S. Example, face, eyes, dance, city, prince. And in some words, it makes the sound of K. Example, cat, coat, cake, clean. So kids, we saw that in some words C makes the sound of S and in some words it makes the sound of K. Kids, now let's see the sound that letter G makes. Big, bag, gate, gum are the words of G sound. But in some words, G makes the sound of J. Example, gem, magic, germs, page, gel. So kids, we saw that in some words, G makes the sound of letter J. Now kids, you have to go through the lesson once again, revise the grammar topics and sound words so that you can easily solve the worksheet which will be given to you today. See you in the next session. Till then, stay home, stay safe.